This'll fill you up too.
Welcome back to the channel.
Hey.
What's up, guys? If you're new to our channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
If you haven't already checked by the title of our video, today we're going to make a
smoothie bowl.
Yeah, it's a smoothie bowl.
A super smoothie bowl.
Superfood smoothie bowl. So we'll start off by showing y'all what you'll need for your ingredients to make this smoothie. So first you're going to need sliced strawberries. These we got from Target. They are just frozen strawberries that you can get in the frozen department.
Yeah.
Next you'll need dragon fruit, which is my favorite type of fruit. Also from the frozen section that you can get at Target. You'll also need a banana for your smoothie. So those will be the 3 items that you'll put in the blender. For your toppings, you will have agave. This one we got from our local grocery store, which I love. Then you'll have almond butter, which we got from my favorite place, Trader Joe's. In addition to that, you'll want some granola. This one says smoothie bowl on it, but you can get whatever kind of granola you want. These we got from Target. And next you'll want your fruit, which is 3 different kinds of fruit.
You have your blackberries, which help with like free radicals, and free radicals cause like disease and stuff like that. It triggers diseases, so.
It triggers diseases? Yeah. Blackberries trigger disease?
No, free radicals trigger diseases. Blackberries help with those because of all the vitamin contents and all the other delicious stuff. I really don't remember everything that's inside of it, but it's good for you. And you know, you got your dragon fruit. That's good for you too. It's good for your soul, you know. Good for them taste buds.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we'll show you how to blend this all up.
A few moments later.
We just kind of eyeball it, but we're starting with strawberries.
Some dragon fruit. These come from Target, right?
Yeah.
Target, like, I don't know, come like the past 10 years, I would say, like, it's a different kind of store. I got the good stuff. And there's red dragon fruit too. Red dragon fruit is kind of hard to find. Oh man.
You just used the whole bag. Why didn't you just dump it? Were you just gonna leave me one?
There we are.
Oh my god. Yo, don't y'all hate that when somebody just leaves one thing in the freezer? He could have just used that whole bag.
I could use that one thing with another smoothie
you
or something.
Just use that whole
sometimes
bag.
I like to make smoothies with a variety of fruit.
And you were gonna use that one dragon fruit?
Yeah, that's a fat chunk.
That wasn't even one chunk.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This was the last.
No, it wasn't.
Chunk
that was already in.
This is the chunk. Wanna do the honors?
I'm sure I have my lid on right. Okay, lid on. And then I put it on the smoothie option.
Power first, baby girl. By the way, this is a, what kind of smoothie? Strawberry, banana, pomegranate.
There's no pomegranate.
No? Oh, dragon fruit. Strawberry, banana, dragon fruit. This is a Martrice Tracy Poo special right here.
I created this smoothie. I don't care what anybody says.
She made this smoothie, where we go? I think it was I Love Juice Bar.
Yeah, we went to the juice bar in Memphis and I built my own. And then I was like, you know what? I can make this at home.
Hers is actually 10 times better.
Honey, it's 10 times better.
Alright. So once you push the sides down.
Good though.
Put this. Like to break the banana. This is gonna give it that creamy texture, you feel me? I like to break it into 4s. Put it in every corner. This probably don't even make a difference, but I like doing it.
It makes a huge difference.
How you put the bananas in? The corner pieces over here. Yep.
Yeah, you get super
Correct. Bam. See that? See that beautiful color? That is beautiful. Almost as beautiful as this girl behind me.
It is so pretty. Alright, guys.
Alright. So this is the part of my picture always did. These are artistes. Just look all pretty and nice.
Yeah, guys, so this, I should have already chopped up my bananas and stuff. Alright, first, let me be honest with y'all. First, you're gonna take these and you're gonna chop up your fruit. So like my blueberries, my blackberries, sorry. I chop into halves. They're pretty big.
Fat blackberries.
Yeah, and they're organic too, so I don't know why they're that big. And then strawberries.
Sometimes organic is bigger. Sometimes organic is smaller.
Sometimes.
Yeah, ever had like the non-organic grapes and they're like super small?
Yeah.
And I've had some non-organic grapes. They look like they're on steroids.
Yeah, these are organic. Yeah, that's true. These are organic strawberries too, and I thought these were pretty big. Alright. Strawberries. And then you're gonna take your banana.
Those bananas got seeds.
As they should. This is our organic banana as well. We try to do organic in this household.
We try.
We do. Alright, so this is where your artiste skills come into place. So,
Can I lick the blades, babe?
yeah. Alright, here.
Thank you. Those sandwiches. Yeah, I'm for you.
You're welcome. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do is you'll get your 2 bowls, or for however many people you're making this superfood bowl for.
Ooh, look at that texture.
And I love it because it's so pretty. So put it in like that. And it makes it easier to eat because of how pretty it is. At least for me. Like, it tastes really good, and but not easier to eat. It just makes me happy to eat it because it's pretty.
And if you know Martrice, it's all about being cute. Ain't that right?
It really is.
Gotta taste good and look good.
Taste good and look good. That's very important.
Kind of like you.
Thank you. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, so here I kind of make myself a little design in it. You know, give it a little razzle dazzle.
Razzle dazzle. Some razzles.
All right. So what you'll want is you're gonna get your almond butter. And I put the almond butter in a corner.
Yeah. Your ring is leaning.
Yeah.
Lean back. Yeah. The almond butter is my favorite part. I love almond butter.
Almond butter is your favorite part?
Yeah.
My favorite part is the agave.
Agave is pretty pussy. I cannot lie.
All right.
Cannot deny.
So you make yourself a little design. Do you want that too? That's it.
Yeah.
Since almond butter is your favorite part. All right. So once you have that, now you just kind of design it with your blackberries. So I'm gonna add the blackberries here. All right. Blackberries. Then you're gonna add your strawberries. Strawberries.
It looks beautiful.
It does. It's so good. So you add your strawberry. All right. And then you can add your bananas.
Yeah.
Super easy. And then you're gonna grab your granola. You do all this to make it look really pretty, and then I have someone like Tommy who just mixes it all together.
Mix it all up. You gotta mix it up.
Yeah, it doesn't look that pretty.
You gotta get all those flavors at once, you know?
Once he starts eating it. I don't like to mix mine up. Do you like a lot of granola?
A decent amount.
A little bit extra.
Extra.
So you got your granola, and it looks like you're done, but you're really not. You're gonna take your agave, and you take your agave and drizzle it back and forth. Like I said, I like a pretty hefty amount of agave. So.
And agave is actually vegan compared to honey. Honey is not vegan.
Yes. There's another agave alternative for getting it.
Agave just tastes delicious.
Alright, I did a little extra.
Maple syrup, is that it?
And there is your meal. Super, super easy. Here's our final product. The one thing that I would say about it is it kind of melts fast.
Still pretty smooth though, you know? I actually like a little flaxseed. I told myself I was gonna do this last time.
I was thinking that we would just sit down and talk to y'all because we haven't really done like a sit down conversation.
I usually get flaxseed from Trader Joe's. Our favorite place in the whole world.
So we're going on a trip this weekend. We're gonna go to, should we tell them where we're going or just surprise them? I think we're gonna surprise y'all. I will tell you this, is gonna be very pretty and spiritual, and I'm really excited to go.
This will fill you up too. That's what's really crazy.
It will fill you up. You'll be full and you'll be like, damn, I didn't know I could get full just from fruit.
It's the almond butter, the bananas,
and the apple juice. We're gonna do more things like this. I really want our channel to be like authentic to who we are and what we do in our day-to-day life. More vlogs. You'll see a lot more vlogs from us. You'll see a lot of like recipes, like healthy. I think I want to make like a healthy habits recipe section on our channel, so you can, you know, go on a health journey with us.
and that will motivate us to do healthier things and learn more healthy recipes, and you know, and really give us some ideas on what to do. If you have any ideas, let us know too, you know.
Exactly. Send us in some like healthy recipes, and then we can record them. We have a couple other things planned for our channel, but I do definitely want it to be authentic to us and who we are, so you'll see more things like this. All right guys, well again, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
It would really help our channel if you guys subscribe, like, do all that stuff.
All of it
below. Everything.
Yes, all of it. Share the video, do everything.
Watch it again. You know?
But yeah, so we'll see you in our next video.